JEE Advanced 2025, Paper 2, Mathematics, Question 9. Let us visualize the solution curve of this differential equation. The function y of x equals x times natural log of x divided by natural log of x plus 1. Notice the initial condition y of 1 equals 0 and the key points at x equals e and x equals e squared. Let us keep this curve as a reference while we solve the problem. The question says, let y of x be the solution of x squared times dy by dx plus x y equals x squared plus y squared for x greater than 1 over e, satisfying y of 1 equals 0. Then find the value of 2 times y of e squared divided by y of e squared. Before solving, let us recall the key concepts. First, when a differential equation can be written in terms of y over x, we use the substitution v equals y over x, so y equals vx and y prime equals v plus x v prime. Second, after substitution, we aim to get a separable ODE where variables can be separated. Third, the integral of 1 over 1 minus v whole squared is 1 over 1 minus v plus a constant. Step 1, let us rearrange the ODE. Starting with x squared y prime plus x, y equals x squared plus y squared, we move x, y to the right side. Then dividing both sides by x squared, we get y prime equals 1 plus y over x whole squared minus y over x. Notice that everything is in terms of y over x. Step 2, we substitute v equals y over x, so y equals vx and y prime equals v plus x v prime. Substituting into our equation, v plus x v prime equals 1 plus v squared minus v, simplifying, x v prime equals 1 minus 2v plus v squared, which factors beautifully as 1 minus v, whole squared. Step 3, we separate the variables. dv over 1 minus v whole squared equals dx over x, integrating both sides, the left side gives 1 over 1 minus v, and the right side gives natural log of x plus a constant c. Step 4, we apply the initial condition y of 1 equals 0. At x equals 1, v equals 0. Substituting, 1 over 1 minus 0 equals natural log of 1 plus c, that gives us 1 equals 0 plus c, so c equals 1. Our equation becomes 1 over 1 minus v equals natural log of x plus 1. Step 5, solving for v, we get 1 minus v equals 1 over natural log x plus 1. So v equals 1 minus 1 over natural log x plus 1, which simplifies to natural log x over natural log x plus 1. Since y equals v times x, we get y equals x times natural log x divided by natural log x plus 1. Step 6, now we compute the required values. Y of e equals e times natural log e over natural log e plus 1. Since natural log of e is 1, this gives e times 1 over 1 plus 1, which is e over 2. Similarly, y of e squared equals e squared times natural log of e squared over natural log of e squared plus 1. That is e squared times 2 over 2 plus 1, which is 2e squared over 3. Step 7, finally, we compute 2 times y of e squared divided by y of e squared. That is 2 times e over 2 whole squared divided by 2e squared over 3. Computing this, we get 2 times e squared over 4 divided by 2e squared over 3. This simplifies to e squared over 2 times 3 over 2e squared. The e squared terms cancel, giving us 3 over 4, which is 0.75. The correct answer is 0.75, or 3/4. This value lies in the range 0.7 to 0.8, which confirms our answer. The key results were y of e equals e over 2, and y of e squared equals 2e squared over 3. Here are some important tips for JEE Advanced. Tip 1, when the ODE can be expressed purely in terms of y over x, always try the homogeneous substitution v equals y over x. Tip 2, apply the initial condition only after integration to find the constant. Tip 3, for numerical type questions, be extra careful with arithmetic. Simple values like natural log of e equals 1 can trip you up if rushed. Tip 4, recognizing perfect square expressions like 1 minus 2v plus v squared saves significant time in the exam. If you found this solution helpful, please like and subscribe for more JEE Advanced solutions at MAGPIEHUB. See you in the next question.